What it do? What it do? What it do, man? We are back with another video. I know y'all been wondering, where Fly Roy been at? I've been working, gang. I've been working. And that's why y'all need to follow me on all platforms. You know what I'm saying? Instagram. Make sure you tap into my lives. You know what I'm saying? Instagram is Fly Roy the Trendsetter. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna spin this camera around in a second and let y'all know what we getting into right now. So you guys already know when I do, let's get this camera thing situated. So when I do my inspections on my semi-tractor trailers and everything, I show you guys these one bushings, you know, that holds the axles together. Well, this one had to get changed, new hangers installed and everything. And guess what? I gotta finish it up. So good thing is, man, that, you know what I'm saying, that's why it's always good to pay attention. That's why it's always good to ask questions. And that's why it's always good to, you know what I'm saying, if you work in the shop with a bunch of people, that all you guys work on the same page and work together. Because if not, I wouldn't be able to, you know what I'm saying, even get close to what the job I got to do right now. So I'm going to spin this camera around. So like I said, we got to finish bolting up the hangers on the axle beam. We got to install a shock. We have to bolt up a shock. You know what I'm saying? Basically finish the whole situation, man. Tires, retorque the tires and all that good stuff, man. But I'm going to spin the camera around and let y'all check it out. Let y'all see what's been done. Let y'all see what I have to do. And also drop something in the comments down below and let me know if there's something that you do, you know what I'm saying, for where you fix trailers and stuff like that, man. But let me go ahead and spin the camera around and let y'all check it out, man, because I do have to get busy. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all see it, man. You see what we got? We got new hangers, new bushing up under there. You know what I'm saying? We do have to bolt that shock up right there. And yeah, man, so this is what the bottom of a trailer look like. Those are the new bushings inside there. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get busy, guys. I already put my bolt new washer there, bolt and new washer there. So the first thing we're gonna do is, I got the welder over here. We are going to weld the I-beam across. We're gonna weld it across. So the first thing I have to do is, number one, guys, I have to clean them up. This is our cross member here. This is our cross member here, and that way has to go just like that, guys. So we gotta clean all this up to make it good, clean everything, and bolt it back up. So you guys give me a second, man. I'm gonna get everything together, and I will take you over to the grinding table. You know what I'm saying? So we can put this on there. Yeah, you guys get it? We gotta weld our I-beam onto the hangers and finish the job. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we gotta clean up this weld.
And they ain't even here to see it. Gotta put some of that stack up on it. Gotta put some of them things up on it. Gotta put some of that stack up on it. 155, 80, 13s on it. Gotta put some of that stack up on it. Pouring fluid in the trunk, nigga, you know I'm up on it. Gotta put some of that stack up on it. Heard Mac 10 say he got Porsche money in his. I ain't got that, but I need another 10, maybe 20, trying to get in. Where I fit in, it's a whole different sport, dog. Let's talk about it. D-boys, rappers, actors, and athletes. I wonder which one of y'all took this mainstream. It's today's price, ain't yesterday's price. But we ain't tripping, my nigga, we gon' ride. They told Coop, how you do it? I told him, God ain't a secret, I just get to it. I thought about it, then I dreamed it, boy, I was feeling. I used to talk to the homie Tone, I call him Bob. We had that cold motherfucking
I'll tell you guys this, man. A lot of you guys getting into it, want to start YouTube and all that good stuff, man. Just know it's a hassle, man. It's a lot. And man, I'm going through this stuff right now with the iPhone running out of storage. Whole bunch of stuff, guys, man. So make sure y'all drop something in the comments, man. If y'all know a little secret code I can use or whatever to get, you know what I'm saying, to keep my iPhone storage full. And yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. We're gonna try to get this thing finished and knocked out. Do have one more shock that I gotta do. And yeah, man, so I got everything pretty much bolted up, taken care of, welded up, reinforced, all that stuff, man. And yeah, man, drop something in the comments below. Let's get it. I see we got everything bolted up, bolted up, bolted up, bolted up, and welded up, okay? So only thing next is we gotta put tires on, and one more shock. That's about it, all right? All right, man. We got the job all done. I just wanted to close out this video and show you guys the bushings and what I'm talking about that had to get changed. Besides dropping and changing the new hangers, I showed you guys what the hangers are, but these are the bushings that goes in between the axle and the hangers. You guys see that, right? They are bad, guys. You see that? So even this one right here, look at that one. This one got hot from somewhere, but y'all see that? Yeah, so these what the bushings look like that slides in between. Yeah, man, so all I gotta do now is put these lug nut indicators on and we got a done deal, man. I hope this video was, you know what I'm saying, you guys liked it. It was informational for you guys, that you guys learned a little something. If so, drop something in the comments and let me know. Let's get it.
All the homies that ride for me, all the homies that slide for me. I can never take back all the shit we been through, and I hope you feel this love that I'ma send you. Loyalty ain't the same now. They do anything for a name now. That's why we finna shut the game down. This got nothing to do with fame now, yeah. I'm a family in the Midwest, it's gonna be alright. And all my family way back home, it's gonna be alright, yeah. I'm on this grind and you know I do it all for you. All the stress and I go through, for all the reasons that I'm going hard for. Know that those things about you, oh yeah. So I'ma slide on your blow one with you. We know everything gon' be good, and I'ma pull up and come fuck with you. All these memories from back in my hood, and plans don't always go the way